The first step is to simply go to Hostinger, and then you're gonna have to simply log in into your account. Now, once you do that, on the left side, we have the domains section. So you're gonna have to click on that and then click on domain portfolio. So we're gonna have to simply select the domain that we want to change the name servers for. And then here on the website, you can see that you have DNS name servers. Click on that and then simply click on change name servers. Now here we have two different options. So we have Hostinger name servers, which is recommended. And then we can simply select change name servers and simply enter our own name servers and then click on save. And basically that's all we have to do. Now, if you want to buy a cheap domain from Hostinger, make sure to check out this video description because I have a huge discount for you. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.